this pretty boy in Paris. He used to tell me that I'm jolie. I couldn't say a word, just Coco, Choco, Chanel, Coco, Chanel, Chocolat. In my heart, in my veins, I just couldn't take him out of my brain. Just a glance, I'm in trance. This French fella was cute as hell. On my mind, in my bed, I just couldn't stop staring at him. Just a kiss, French kiss. I couldn't say a word, just stuttering. Coco, Choco, Chanel, Coco, Coco, Choco, Chanel, and Chocolat. How stupid is that? I should tell him. Remember the night he came and